launch for you all. So I am talking about the Lakme Absolute Lip Shimmer. These were launched in the Lakme Fashion Week that was held earlier this month. Yes, earlier this month. So I have 3 shades from this collection, and from what I could make out, there are 3 ranges in these lip shimmers. One is metallic, one is with just shimmer, and then thirdly there's a duochromatic sort of a lipstick, which is quite unique because I've never seen a duochromatic lipstick. I've always seen duochromatic eyeshadows, but I've never seen duochromatic lipsticks. So yes, they have 3 ranges in this, and they have total of 15 shades. So that means 5 shades for each range if they have divided it equally. I am not too sure on that aspect. To start off, these lipsticks retail for 700 rupees for 3.6 gram of product, which I do feel is a little expensive because there's only like this much lipstick in there and nothing more. But the packaging is really nice. It's quite sturdy and travel friendly because it does close with a click, and there's also a click when you hit the maximum number of rotations for closing the lipstick back down, and it goes down completely. There's no like top part there. I'll show you what I mean. So when you like close this completely, there's a click. I'm not too sure if you can hear it or not. So because the lipstick goes inside completely, there's no way that you nick it while you are trying to close the cap. So that makes these lipsticks really travel friendly and easy to carry, although the packaging is a little heavy because the plastic is quite thick. I'm going to be talking about these 3 shades. I have one from each range. One is metallic, one has shimmer, and one is duochromatic. So let's start with this, and then I'm going to move on to the more general review. The first shade I have here is Pink Flash, which is the metallic lipstick. Now, to be very honest with you guys, I'm not a very big fan of metallic lipsticks. There are people who don't like metallic lipsticks, and then there's me. I'm like a big no-no when it comes to metallic lipsticks. Not only now when matte lipsticks are in rage, but even when, you know, metallic lipsticks like in the early 2000s were there, I was like, no metallic lipsticks for me, thank you. But I'm going to be talking about this color because a lot of you might like metallic lipsticks. This is a fuchsia pink color with blue undertones, and obviously it has a metallic finish with loads and loads and loads of shimmer, and due to its metallic nature, it looks like it has even more shimmers than all of the other lipsticks, like the other ranges. So this is what the color looks like on my lips. I don't know if it looks good on me or not. Maybe I have a bias in mind that I'm not a metallic lipstick person. Let me know what you guys think, how this lipstick looks on me. So yes, as I was saying, it's a fuchsia pink color with metallic finish. And well, I don't have anything to say about this because not a very big metallic fan, as I said. Then we have Crimson Blink, which is a red color. It is a satin finish with shimmers in it because this is the Illuminate and Shine range. So yes, this is a satin finish with shimmers in it. The shimmers in this one seems to be the least because of the finish, because metallic finish and duochromatic finish enhance the shimmers even more. Shimmers in this seems to be the least amount to me, and definitely this is my favorite color from all of the 3 that I have. Also because I am a person who loves red lipstick, so this becomes like a really nice option. But I definitely feel that the shimmer in this are quite appropriate. They're quite wearable and they don't feel, you know, over the top on the lips. As for the color, it's like a warm undertone red, and this is what it looks like on my lips. I really like how this looks on me. Basically because, as I said, I'm a red lip lover. But yes, this is a warm red. If you're a person who likes more cool tone red, then this might not be the best choice for you. Lastly, we have Tropical Shine, which is the duochromatic lipstick. Now this seemed really interesting to me because when I saw it, I thought it would be like an orange, but when I applied it, it was like a salmon color with pink reflex. So it's like a duochromaticness going on, and I was like really intrigued by the way it looked. I'm not a very big fan of how it looks like on my lips because I do feel it washes me out a little, but other than that, I'm really excited to try out more colors from this duochromatic range because it just seemed really fun. It just reflected a lot of colors and I really liked it, especially on my hand. I really like the swatch. I might just use it like a blush because it just seems so pretty to me. Now coming to the more general review, I know the first question in everyone's mind would be about the glitter aspect of it. The glitter doesn't feel gritty. You don't feel there is glitter on your lips, but you can, you know, see it very clearly. So it's not like you can't feel it, you can't see it, you can't feel it, but you still can see it. So you can properly see the glitter, which is even more visible after the lipstick sort of like fades away, which brings me to the aspect of transfer. So obviously I had done the transfer test, and these lipsticks do transfer a lot, and a lot of pigmentation does go away, and once the pigmentation goes away, you are left back with a lot of glitter on your lips, which looks sort of weird in my opinion, to be very honest with you guys. I'm not the biggest fan of shimmer lipsticks. If you are, I'm really sorry. It's just my personal opinion. I'm more of like a demi satin matte or matte kind of a lover. So if you do like shimmers, however, then this is a great option for you to go, because definitely these days in market all you see is matte lipstick, satin matte, matte lipstick, satin matte. Lakme on the other hand has been very brave to launch a shimmery lipstick because it's not currently in rage. They're trying to bring in the new, sort of trend of illuminate and shine, which personally I'm not a very big fan of, as I've said a gazillion times in this video already. So coming back again, these lipsticks are quite pigmented and very smooth to apply at first. That's why I said that when I applied it, I felt like, oh my gosh, yes, this is so smooth, I'm gonna be like through all day and everything. But after 3-4 hours, my lips started to feel quite chapped. And because these do transfer a lot, they won't survive a greasy meal. No way they're gonna survive a greasy meal. So they will go away in 3 to 4 hours if you have food and everything. If you don't, then these will stay on for 5 to 6 hours, after which it does start to settle into fine lines and sort of like make your lips feel dry. That's sort of fading away. I'm not a very big fan of. I like when my lipstick fades from the centers and just like goes away, but it settles into fine lines and makes your lips a little chapped. So again, not a very big fan of that fact, but yes, these are quite pigmented and you can definitely make them matte by just putting on a tissue paper and rubbing it with translucent powder, and this action ain't helping at all. But can I stop? No. So when it comes to removing these lipsticks do remove quite easily. They don't stain your lips or whatever, but the only down part is it leaves the glitter. Like the glitter doesn't go away. I was like, how do I make this glitter go away? So I literally had to just like rub my lips in order to make the glitter go away. So the glitter doesn't go away, the color goes away quite easily. So even that's a good fact, that the lipstick doesn't stain your lips, because these were slightly darker colors I was working with, except Tropical Shine. So yes, the lipstick doesn't stain your lips, which is a good part. So all in all, what I do feel about this lipstick is that it's a brave move by Lakme to introduce shimmery lipsticks into market, because not everyone is a matte lip lover. Some people do like shimmers on their lips, and these are great for those people. Although they do transfer a little and the pigmentation does go away after that, but I'm really looking forward to try the duochromatic range, because it was something I was so fascinated by, because I've never tried duochromatic lipsticks. So I will be checking those out. But as for now, this was my review. This is sort of like an open-ended review, because I do have a bias in my mind, so I do want to say that this is not worth it, you shouldn't buy it. There are people out there who have different choices than mine, and I appreciate that and I respect that. So yes, I will just end by telling you guys what these lipsticks are about, and you can make a decision for yourself. To sum up everything, these lipsticks have great pigmentation, they go on smoothly on your lips, they have a lot of shimmers, they have different ranges to try out from, and they have 15 colors to choose from. They retail for 700 rupees for 3.6 gram of product, and they transfer a lot, to just say the least. And yes, these will stay on your lips for 3 to 4 hours if you are having a meal, and 5 to 6 hours if you're not having a meal. So yes, that is everything that was there that I wanted to talk about, these new lip shimmers in the market by Lakme Absolute. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you all. If it was, then do not forget to comment and subscribe. I also have other products from their new launches, that is their eyeshadow palette as well as their eye pencils. If you want a review on that, then all you have to do is comment below. I would love to do those reviews for you guys as well. And I will see you guys after tomorrow. Till then, do not forget to check out all of my social media. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.